In a world moving faster than ever, you don't have time for slow decisions or outdated tools. You need something smarter, something faster, something that works while you work. Introducing a new era of intelligence. Trivro AI, your all-in-one AI powerhouse. 51 plus powerful tools. One seamless platform. Write, design, automate, analyze, create everything in seconds. For entrepreneurs, creators, consultants, QA engineers, agencies, and dreamers, Trivro AI turns your ideas into impact, your tasks into results, your pressure into power. Built with purpose, designed for growth, trusted by communities, and powered by intelligence. Experience the future today. Join the evolution with Trivro AI. Trivro AI. The future starts with you.